I am sick and tired of being sick and tired of loading these heads, these weed eater heads. This one right here is off of a steel. I mean, all the time. It seems like you're right in the middle of your job and you got to rewind this freaking thing. And it drives me crazy. So that comes to an end, and I'm going to show you this product that's blowing the place up that you're going to need to buy. You're going to love it. It's going to change the way you do things in your business, at your home, whatever. You need it. Check it out. Boom, it's the SpeedFeed 400. They've got a couple other models like the 450, which holds more. They got smaller models that hold less. This is the most common one that most people use and have reviews and crazy coverage of all kinds of people. This thing loads so easy. All you do is you throw your whole line through it, you twist it up. Done. I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna show you real quick how easy it actually is to load. And then if you're still interested, right after that, I'll show you how to install it on your trimmer. Let's start at the end. How's it perform? Right here. Let's say you just ran out of line. There is 0 line in this weed eater right now. And as fast as this, let me show you how easy it is to load. So I'm gonna take this, the steel, 0.095. I'm gonna take it, it says 20 feet. So I'm gonna roll off about 4 arm lengths. There's 1, and there's 4. Go ahead and cut that off. Got my line, take it to the trimmer. Rotate the head to the load arrow is lined up. Pull it through. Gotta pull it even. Once it's pulled even, it'll walk back to the trimmer. There you go. That's it. She's ready to go. Can't believe it. Easy peasy. Now I realize you all got different kind of trimmers. This has adapters that make it work with just about anything. And one thing you want to watch when you buy it, you'll see that it has different names on it. See that Shindaiwa SpeedFeed 400? Sometimes it comes as the Echo 400. Echo company bought this. It's in between all that ownership stuff. Turn it around. Easiest place to get it, Amazon. I think you can get it at Home Depot as well. Got the steel trimmer there, straight shaft. This one notes it doesn't matter if you have a straight or a curved shaft. Move this head just like a grinder. You need to stop the spinning wheel to do that. You'll notice right on top it's got a little access hole. You can put something like an Allen down in there to keep it from spinning. And that'll unscrew right off there. That easy. And you can see what you got underneath there. Little gear grabs that, so we'll hold on to that, set it to the side. In the instruction manual in the back, it gives you all the models and it shows you what combination to use to hook it up to your trimmer. So with this one, we need the black coupling, which is already in here, and then the green bushing. So what I'll do is open that up just by pushing those tabs. You can see there's already a gold or an orange bushing in there, so I want to take that one out. You remove that line, pop that head off. You can tap out that falls out. Go ahead and put the green one in, just like so. Stick that right back in there, and these teeth right here will line right back up into those grooves. So that part is ready to go. Last thing, this little guard plate thing for the gearbox, which we just greased up in that last video I did. Make sure it goes on. See, this has got a little cutout that fits that. It has to face that. There's no cutout there. There is a cutout there. So you can push it down and see how it snaps right into that. That's what you want. Alright, spacer's on. Stick that in. Make sure that spacer's seated. Hear that snap? Go ahead and tighten it up real good. When I put this on, I'll just make sure that that channel there in both these holes are nice and lined up, as well as there's a channel here where the line goes through. Line everything up. This thing will only seat down in there one way. Make sure you can see right down that channel. Good and lined up, just pop this bad boy back on. That's it. After you install it, you'll notice there's little arrows on the top. If you just rotate that bottom part around to where the hole, hear it click, comes to the arrow. Let me turn it to the side. You'll be able to see right through it. And your string will just throw right down in there. Then you wind it up and you're done. That's it. This is phenomenal. It's amazing. So that's it. When you saw me load the weed eater, for one, I'm not a master of it yet. You can just, these people wind them so fast. That was the first time I've ever used it before. And then the second one, you'll notice in the viral videos, a lot of people, they probably used half the line because they wanted to look so much quicker. But I did a true 20 whole feet. That the thing's packed, it's ready to go. I just did a YouTube video of how to grease your gearbox in the front, so make sure you check that out. And when I did that, YouTube started recommending me videos. That's how I found this thing. And then it's like taking over TikTok and all that. It's going crazy for 40 bucks. I'm telling you, it is so nice. You gotta get you one. Whew. Hey guys, that's all I have for today. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, check out the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun. There's a lot of other videos on there. Make sure you check my channel for those. And again, thank you. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.